Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove chlorine from hair. Before you even get in the pool, prepare your hair to minimize chlorine damage. First, wet your hair with clean water. This helps it absorb less chlorine. Then, apply a leave-in conditioner or natural oil to create a protective barrier. For the best defense, consider wearing a swim cap to keep most of the chlorinated water away from your strands. Once you're out of the pool, immediate action is key. Rinse your hair thoroughly with fresh water to wash away surface chlorine. Next, use a specialized clarifying or chelating shampoo designed to break down and remove chlorine deposits. Finish by applying a deep conditioning treatment to replenish essential moisture and combat any dryness caused by the pool chemicals. If you prefer natural remedies, several household items can help. A rinse made from 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar mixed with water can neutralize chlorine. Alternatively, a paste of baking soda and water can gently lift chlorine from your hair. You can also try a vitamin C spray or powder mixed with water, as vitamin C is known to help break down chlorine effectively. To fully restore your hair's health, make deep conditioning a weekly habit to repair damage and replenish lost hydration. Incorporate a nourishing hair mask, especially ones rich in natural oils like coconut or argan oil, to provide intense moisture and shine. Remember to minimize heat styling to prevent further dryness. And speaking of making things easier, check the description below for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals to simplify your routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.